In the heart of Dubai, rising above Sheikh Zayed Road, like a gleaming silver loop, stands one of the most breathtaking architectural marvels of 21st century, the Museum of the Future. The building is architecturally striking. A torus-shaped, pillarless structure, its facade is clad with Arabic calligraphy. The calligraphy facade is not just decorative, it literally spells out visionary phrases about innovation and human progress. The void in the center symbolizes the unknown future, the ring, the human endeavor, the mount, the earth. It's recommended to purchase tickets in advance due to high demand. The interior comprises multiple floors divided by themes. For example, outer space resource development, ecosystems and bioengineering, health and wellness, children's world, the future heroes. The attractions in the museum are divided into 5 chapters. The third chapter on third floor, Waha, helps you connect more with your mind and body. So guys, if you like my video and if you like my experience, please consider liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel.